Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will look into the top current affairs multiple choice question for the month of April, and this is the second part. The first question is John Conway, who died recently, was a famous in the field. John Conway. Biology, mathematics, history, virology. John Conway was a famous mathematician and he was a very interesting person. He is credited to create a game called Game of Life. Then you should remember that the creator or inventor of Game of Life game was John Conway and he was a famous mathematician. Next, which ferry train was started by the South Central Zone of Indian Railways to ensure speedy delivery of food grains to different parts of the country? यानी कि अलग अलग देश के हिस्से में खाने पीने की सामग्री पहुंचाने के लिए साउथ सेंट्रल जो रेलवे के साउथ सेंट्रल जोन है उसने एक ट्रेन चलाया था. उस ट्रेन का नाम क्या है? अन्नपूर्णा स्पेशल फेरी ट्रेन, जय हिंद स्पेशल फेरी ट्रेन, जय किसान स्पेशल फेरी ट्रेन, कोरोना स्पेशल फेरी ट्रेन. इट वॉज जय किसान स्पेशल फेरी ट्रेन. सो सी इज द राइट आंसर. हाल ही में इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ILO उन्होंने एक अनुमान लगाया है कि कोरोना के वायरस की वजह से जो पैंडेमिक हुआ है, इस पैंडेमिक की वजह से इंडिया के बहुत सारे लोग जिसमें माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स जो रोज़मर्रा के काम करते हैं, डेली वेज अर्नर्स, दे आर एट द रिस्क ऑफ बीइंग पुश्ड डीपर इनटू पॉवर्टी. यानी कि ये लोग और गरीबी में धक्के खाएंगे. यानी कि इसमें तो क्वेश्चन ये है कि ILO के मुताबिक कितने इंडियन ऐसे हैं जो इस तरह से पॉवर्टी का शिकार हो जाएंगे. तो उनके अनुमान के हिसाब से टोटल 400 million Indians are at the risk of being pushed deeper into poverty. So it is a very human crisis and it is a very economical crisis also. Who has joined World Wide Fund India as ambassador for Environment Education Program? Rahul Dravid, Vishwanathan Anand, MS Dhoni, Anushka Sharma. It is Vishwanathan Anand who has joined WWF as its ambassador for environment. Okay. Recently, a state has launched a mobile application and the name of the application is Unnayan Mera Mobile Mera Vidyalay. Okay. Mera Mobile Mera Vidyalay Unnayan is a name of a app. This app is built for students of class 6 to 12 and for 70,000 government run school. The question is which state has launched this app during the corona pandemic or lockdown? Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Kerala, West Bengal. It is Bihar who has launched this app so that students can study from their home. Recently, Wisden magazine has announced the leading cricketer, and this award is known as Wisden Cricketers Almanac 2020. Who is the leading cricketer who has been announced this or coronated as the leading cricketer? Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni, Aaron Finch, and last Ben Stokes. It is the Ben Stokes who has been announced as the leading cricketer by Wisden Cricketers among 2020. Next is which state launched Operation Shield? The name of the operation is Operation Shield to fight COVID-19 pandemic. Options are Karnataka, Chandigarh, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh. It is the government of Union Territory Delhi which has announced Operation Shield. Under the Operation Shield, they sanitize every place, block by block, and every inch of that area is sanitized and properly monitored through the different apps and different surveillance method. So this has been very successful in Delhi. So this is Operation Shield. Recently, a person named Abdul Majid, he was hanged in connection with the assassination of a famous personality. Now the question is, he has been already assassinated, but he was assassinated for the assassination of which famous personality? Options are Benazir Bhutto, Indira Gandhi, Mujibur Rahman, or General Ziaul Haq. Abdul Majid, he was recently in every newspaper has carried this news, and it was the Bongo Bandhu Mujibur Rahman on whose assassination Abdul Majid was hanged till death. And we know that Bongo Bandhu is the Mujibur Rahman is the father of modern day Bangladesh. Next, a telescope had captured the highest resolution picture of the sun, and it shows that sun's atmosphere are filled with a strand of hot electrified gases. The question is, what is the name of that telescope? Options are ISON, X solar probe, Sunset, Hi-C. This is the telescope is named it Hi-C. Okay. Next question, this is from economy and latest appointment. Recently, IMF managing directors have constituted a special advisory board for policy response to COVID-19 challenges. Which famous Indian personality or economist has been inducted or admitted into this special advisory board? The name are Raghuram Rajan, Amartya Sen, Jagdish Bhagwati, Geeta Gopinath. It is Raghuram Rajan who has been inducted into this special advisory board. Next question, which union ministry had initiated the Samadhan challenge? Why? To test the ability of students and educators to innovate. यानी कि जो पढ़ने वाले हैं और जो पढ़ाने वाले हैं उनके अंदर में इनोवेट यानी कि नए चीज़ को खोजने की क्षमता है या नहीं, इसके लिए उन्होंने एक प्रोसेस शुरू किया है जिसका नाम है समाधान. तो ये किस मिनिस्ट्री ने शुरू किया है? होम मिनिस्ट्री ने, साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मिनिस्ट्री, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट और माइनॉरिटी अफेयर्स. You can see this is related with education, so obviously it must be Ministry of Human Resource Development. Again, a related question is, which union ministry has launched the portal called Yukti, Youth for Combating to Corona? I think that this is the some kind of full form. Which ministry has launched Yukti portal? Again, this has been launched by Ministry of Human Resource and Development. Which state's police launched Neki Ki Charpai campaign? Neki Ki Charpai campaign. Why? To help the needy with free food packets. That means they provide food packets to needy person, and the campaign is called Neki Ki Charpai. Which state police had launched this campaign? This has been launched by Uttarakhand police. Uttarakhand police is the right answer. Who has been appointed as the new secretary to the President of India? What is the name of that secretary? And the secretary name is Kapil Dev Tripathi. Kapil Dev Tripathi. Which state or union territory initiated a T5 plan? T5 plan. Why? To fight COVID-19. This plan has been launched by Delhi. Delhi government has launched this plan. William Franklin, who died recently, was a pioneer in the field of William Franklin was a pioneer in the field of he was actually very interesting person. You must search on Google and you should watch his video. He was a very famous allergy scientist, or those who specializes in allergy or immunology of the body. He is also reported to have one of the patient of William Franklin was Saddam Hussein also. So it is very interesting personality. Which scheme has been decided by the central government to suspend for 2 years? This is the central government scheme and this has been suspended for 2 years. What is the name of that scheme? It is very famous scheme and this is the MP-led, Member of Parliament Local Area Development. If you want to watch this what is MP-led, I have already created a video. You can search in my channel and you should remember MP-led, because in the next coming competitive examination this question becomes very important and relevant. Which country is testing digital currency called digital currency electronic payment, and this is being tested by China. Philip Warren Anderson, who passed away recently, was a Nobel laureate. He was a Nobel laureate in which field? He was awarded Nobel Prize in the field of physics. So Philip Warren Anderson was a physician. What is the objective of NASA's CIRUS mission? You should also remember the full form of what is full form of CIRUS, and this was the objective of this operation or mission was to monitor volcanic and seismic activities on Earth from space. Okay. Recently, World Bank has announced or approved emergency funding for India, and the question is, what is the amount of this emergency fund? $1 billion, $2 billion, $3 billion, $4 billion? The answer is, this is the $1 billion. Recently, Indian Air Force conducted an operation to airlift medical and hospital consumables for the Maldives. यानी मालदीव में भेजने के लिए इंडियन एयरफोर्स ने मेडिकल सप्लाईज या ऐसे जो भी मेडिकल इमरजेंसी की ज़रूरत सामान होती है उसको पहुंचाने के लिए उन्होंने एक ऑपरेशन कंडक्ट किया था. इस ऑपरेशन का नाम क्या था? ऑपरेशन नेम्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ऑपरेशन दोस्ती, ऑपरेशन संजीवनी, ऑपरेशन संकट मोचन, ऑपरेशन खिदमत. दिस ऑपरेशन वाज ऑपरेशन संजीवनी. Recently, a union ministry has launched a portal called Stranded in India to help foreign tourists who are stuck in India. यानी कि those person, foreigners, those who are stuck in India, if they want to go outside India to their own nation, they can access this portal called Stranded in India. Which ministry has launched this portal? Ministry of Home Affairs, Tourism, External Affairs, or Ministry of Defense. Generally, our common sense says that it has been launched by External Affairs, but in reality, this portal has been launched by Ministry of Tourism. Who has launched a campaign called Hope Not Hunger? Which company have launched this campaign Hope Not Hunger? Zomato, Amazon, Swiggy, Hotel Taj. This has been launched by Swiggy. Under this, they coordinate with the different hotels and the government, and they provide ration or food to needy person during corona lockdown. This is the last question of today's, and the question is, which space agency launched the Sunrise mission? This has been launched by NASA. You should also remember or try to know what is the objective of Sunrise mission. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon, because I will be putting more such videos in future. Thank you so much.